I'm Chad. It's been super windy. The waves have been great. We've done an insane number of downwinders. It's been, you just can't beat this trip for kite surfing. I mean, the lagoons, the lakes, the flat water, then you go out into the waves, you do both in a day. You go home, you eat good, great food, you go out and party with killer Brazilian chicks. It's just off the chart. We've talked amongst ourselves and said, there's no way in the world you could come down and do what we did without huge amounts of hassle and dealing with finding the place to rent the buggies, finding the people to drive you around, finding the places that they've taken us to, knowing where to go, when to go, knowing when the tides are right is key. Knowing all the local knowledge that they provide is just, all you do is show up and have a great time. Yeah, I shouldn't really promote it because I want to come back and I don't want it to be sold out or the prices to rise or some crap like that.